Watching some more about Badwam TV, Badwam so. Jumadie na yasha se wonyum to mo no. De edu so no. Yare kase no to so. Some abetie was to be any Ghana registered nurses and midwives association say one month some no near Tosho 9 de on hwenye. July bosumi no mo wanya dia obesa to won monka. Eno ne nsem bi anope ye de bro. Adom TV Badwam kase a wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280. Oko YouTube search Adom TV Tube adomonline.com and semi in sembebre ewom mididi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie said en semno etie President the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association say eneno one mon sama wodi eto opno so no ne eto so 9 de mpanimfo hwe se July bosome no yewramu a afi mu no wonhwe na wonni hu dwuma eno de omo ka hwe a won mo nte so won fa nya dwuma de a obete won mo enka
Fraternity of Nurses and Midwives almost share him say bibia kwawie ya yebetumi aka bibi papa akire omo efa collective agreement na ye nyina ye hwe him say ye be implement no enti ama meeting na yetu akwa hye 10 July no e ha ye bebre esan say ebema ye collective agreement no se ne si hu no atwentwen still delayed. The moment the year can say July 2025, dear, Yeshe him say Nyoma and Naina meeting na ye on 12 June 2025. No Nyoma and Naina ye de to ye employers ne nimno. Omo beshe say ya implementing.
Enti wasan komo we mu no health committee ye womra so meja fie mu de ato won ni mo se kia ne ken wo mu hia mu bie mo be hia ne de na sa ensem no won mawie.
I want to use this opportunity to reassure the nurses that the health committee, their own committee, and for that matter, Parliament, will continue to advocate for them. We are their representatives, and we represent them. We also represent the patients and all other citizens of Ghana who will continue to work in our collective interests. I want to thank the Nurses Association for their understanding.
Otwa so say nyame yadoma ye July bosome no da toso edu ana womo ene anesifoi ene midwifoi ebesi nkonya.
We are their representatives, and we represent them. We also represent the patients and all other citizens of Ghana who will continue to work in our collective interests. I want to thank the Nurses Association for their understanding and cooperation. The next meeting has been rescheduled to the 10th of July 2025.
Mampani abedi Professor Nana Jane Opoku Ajimai na to Ministry of Interior na Narcotics Control Commission ni mo say enipa bi a won moto enuboni mu ntentan no eni ho kwan si eja won mo saa ho na momumua e wo ho wo se de ebo won World Drug Day ye koso won kran na mampani abedi de nsemi etuja.
Every gram destroyed is potentially a life saved. Let us support the Commission and its allied institutions by providing the tools, the training, the resources necessary to stay ahead of these evolving threats. Nana Chairman, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, while we pursue traffickers and disrupt their networks, we must not neglect the individuals and communities who suffer the consequences of addiction.
Director General Emma Narcotics Control Commission, Brigadier General Maxwell Mante, enso di tudwa se womu dwumakuo no edi nhihye egu akwama enya de a womu bema ho kwan kra ma no bone amene oman Ghana.
Here in Ghana, we the Narcotics Control Commission is strong in collaborating with our national security institutions and valued international partners, continue to lead a fierce and focused campaign against illicit drugs. Through tactical border control, intelligence-driven interdictions, the pursuit of swift prosecutions, and the confiscation of criminal assets. We are indeed dismantling networks and sending a clear message that our homeland Ghana is not a safe haven for drug traffickers.
Akwamuhine, His Royal Majesty, Odene Kwafo, Akoto, Autosum Yensa, enso de tudwa se, asase a womo ediamom, 100 acres. Womo hwese nakok, edi beye edwumapa, ebeboa ama enubone, ehonsem wo mamu ano abrase.
Enrada sekendi gender court nso ede enipa mienu ya wondin Suleiman Abdul Rashid eni Isa Moro akoto posifo kokum. Wonye nipa numbia akora mfie du mienu abemu a woye na yakayaka de no. Wormo nkodam na wombesa babiem na fensam no yatwaso.
Omanfo bekaya video bi ebeto social media a nsentrofo nso editudwa akwada bi a wadi emfie dumienu a wo papa ene openi bi ono nso kano ema papa eburu akwara ebrete ema omtwimeko editu akwala efefa no hunina no aposifo echiom wanamuntu a wo mutuye no na bra asem no ekopie mu ewo court. Onipa ono ene ebetwitwaje eye suspect yimano ata ekire se enka court no ema papa bail esanse wabrepa ewo police station. Onipa ono ene eye ensemu enhwehwemu chief inspector Vicentia awenam achichogbe ampene sokra se womo ema ni bail. Ojom training a ono ene tena asem so na amale akowua ehye se womo emfa papa no enkoto eye posifo akokum enkopem ye July bosume no de tosudu afiwe mu a chief imam a ono ene wo new ankasa Idrisu Ahmed ekasetia ye pa anamuntu a papa no etuye no de futu sem sei e ma Ghana fo
na sem ka che Ghana fo se especially kwada hwe no mama bi ansisi kwada sa kwada no kwa tu asa se ebeye ade atisa no enye
Yenyina yenim se University of Ghana Legon mpotemu ho no COVID yare no ayiniti wo ho ampanifo ede ho nsema betudwa Adom kase abu akire kohwe ye sanyenya bia na ho hwehwe no wo mudi so ana so ani se okakire wo ne ekohu yentiemra
bia mejina sesie aha aya University of Ghana Legon na se as we nchire University of Ghana mpemfo a wada school na no nchire Public Affairs Directorate in Nsambi another nkrata botu gwade COVID eyiniti ewa university ni mu nti omanfo na azusianfo a wo university ni mu nyina no wan shas de nhihye a COVID be na wozidu no wondi de me nhihye no do ono namdo ma adom kase ba pro wo university ni mu rehwe de nsama mpemfu aka no anamontu be na wozegu akomu a wo rehwe de esuanfo na adwumayefo a wo university ni mu obezi de me nhihye do bia bebira yakọ kire de nipa beenu anade ba se bia behu de we gina ho anade worbon komo no na nimukul anade bien bi wo hye nose mask ono ye okwan kora omanfo wo fado na woze bo ho ban free COVID yareba no ho na omanfo me kire social distance na de onyaza orekodo sande omanfo won kitawuza worizi nkoma worbo na nta wonam a wori ni na ondezi de wonyim de social distance bi wo ha o de woye na ehwe nkrata university zibatu Ghana o the two gwa de manfo a wo university ni mu nhwe de social distancing na manso na nzama o de woye amanwanya COVID bi nyina no wo baye ono nam dumpo ma social gathering na de ihyiemu a o de okodo wo university no wetwitwa bebremu a aka lectures da manso na programs ahuru bia university ni susu de ye programs a obaboa ho ndeze yere kase inaugural lecture bia obakodo nde na ochire nyina no university zesu nenyu de oyaza ono de obakodo na owahwe de obia ezi COVID-19 another COVID nhihye no do na no mana yakọ Public Affairs Directorate dan ka yebenya panyin na oda no ne ezi nkomo na wa cheche nzamu za kire adom aswafo na etiefu ni nyina no onyaza yenya no yenyina akasa ana waretwan ma nipa bebre enya yareba ne bi ma wato school no mu ansana mpemfo ama nhihye a ode amanfo wozidu ana
Why company for na walk say ya chechefo a won mo shankura bi achi ebo wo mo apotwie bra ye tro so hwe ne de omu gu adwuma ne mu ase na won so kra no wo se wo ho ensemi beto dwa wo afi distinction awards e course so e won kran.
I wish to state that teachers who aid examination malpractices betray their noble calling and destroy the very future they are meant to build. Such conduct is not only dishonorable, but criminal and must cease immediately.
Oswafo a ono na hwe adesua ho nsem so Haruna Idrisu enso editu dwa se sa award nhihye eyade a won betrem amana so asukufo eye candidate edodo beye edu woma womobo mo homoden na womo benya scholarship efie ye get fan.
All the awardees to be determined by the West African Examination Council will qualify for President John Dramani Mahama Scholarship for Scholarship. 10 of them will receive the President's pleasure of continued support with full Get Fund sponsored scholarship through the Scholarship Authority yet to be established.
Yenye so na Adom TV Badwam kase no yemfansi ha yeda semre ne adaje a odema yen midi afia amankwa tamaklo mekwaba na afi yede de wonkrata no ne Adom online stories na to so ye nchekra yakwaba sisia.